Everybody, today we're back with the HPI RS4 Sport 3, and I want to do a couple of reveals. I wanted to show you the wheels that I picked. I got these HPI Racing chrome black wheels. These have a 6mm offset. I think these are going to look really good with the body I chose. These are 26mm wheels. In a hurry to pick up tires, however, I accidentally picked up drift tires. These are super hard plastic, so I might have to make another trip to the hobby store. I don't think these will work well with the body I chose, but we'll see what happens. All right, so here is the body reveal. I picked up, like I said, when I first bought this kit, in the unboxing I mentioned that I wanted to build a car for USGT, and I'm sticking to that. So I selected a classic American muscle car body, the HPI 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 302. And I've already decided to paint this a French blue, Tamiya paint, French blue. And I'll try to leave a picture on the screen. All right, so this is kind of an unboxing video for the body. So here is the body itself. HPI bodies. This is actually my first HPI body. I've never bought one before. It looks good. Looks like it's well molded. And there is a spoiler here, I believe. I believe that is the spoiler back here. Have to double check. This does have a spoiler in the back, as you can see there. And this is going to look really good. And it also came with window masks, the front and back decals. It's like they give you two grills, one where the headlights are printed, and the other ones where the headlights are left clear, so you can install real LED headlights. And of course, chrome bumpers and tail lights. You got tail lights and door handles. I see the gas cap there, and some other HPI, some side signal lights, very nicely printed. And it's real foil. You can really see there's a lot of glossiness to that. It looks great. The part number actually is HPI 17546, and it was $29.99 at my local hobby shop. And then there are the body stripes, and these are going to be very interesting. Look at the window seals. I'm not going to have to paint the window sills on this car. Front and back, there's a lot of chrome detail. I know that's going to be a little bit tough. I love the racing stripes. Looking forward to those. This is just a great looking body kit. I am really going to have a good time. And then I believe they give you an extra spoiler or two different kind of spoilers. We'll see. I have to really look at these carefully to figure out what they are. Because that's looking more like a bumper now than... I think that's actually the rear bumper that goes on to here. I think that's looking more like a bumper now. I look at it carefully, and these two are the spoilers. Of course, it comes with the hardware for the spoiler. And there's some double-sided tape and screw and nut. That's it. So that is the body that I selected for this kit. It is the HPI 302 Boss Mustang, and I can't wait to get this mounted onto here. And I just can't wait to drive this. It does look like I'm gonna have to trim the urethane bumper, but we'll see. All right. So I'm going to reveal this in a later video. I'm not going to be able to paint this in one day. I really want to take my time. So thanks for watching. I will post pictures on my Instagram. If you follow me there, you'll probably see the reveal first. I left a link in the description. Please drop this video a like. Subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.